Alright guys, so today is Monday and I am going to sand the tops of these French provincial nightstands that I got. And yeah, they are pretty gross, but I got them for 20 bucks and I know I can make them look like $1 million, so I'm excited. I'm gonna probably strip and, well, not strip, sand and stain the top and then paint the bottom, probably navy blue, because I've been into the navy blue lately. But yeah, I love them and they're so cute, and they're actually, you know, like for French provincial nightstands, they're a little smaller, like as far as the width goes, so it'll fit into more bedrooms, and I'm gonna sell them, pretty sure. And yeah, I have my hair tied up and I'm ready to go. Yeah. Alright, so we're about halfway through. I did this top with the 80 grit power sander, and then I kind of just went over the top really quick. But look at this, like, oh my god, like these tops were so bad. But yeah, they will look really cute when they're done. Yeah, don't mess with me and my power sander. Alright, so these are the tops, all completely sanded and done, and they look amazing, and I'm excited, but it's getting kind of late. Not that this took that long, but I started it late, so I'm going to go inside and eat some dinner. Ladies, this is great to do because not only is it like awesome to be able to get pieces for $20 and make them look like custom and better than like the stuff you can buy on Wayfair, but it's good for the environment because you're not just throwing out junky furniture, you're actually reusing somebody's, and you're not buying like some crap made of plastic. Like, this is solid wood and you are reusing. So I love this idea. Alright guys, we are in my garage and I'm going to stain the tops of these, and yes, I know my garage is a mess, but yeah, it's like, as you can see, my dad's race car is behind there, and then just got a lot of stuff in here. But I'm going to tilt this down so you can see what I'm doing, and I'm going to use this Rust-Oleum wood stain in French provincial color. It's a beautiful color. I used this on my last set of nightstands, and it's just really, really nice. This is the only French provincial stain that I found, and it's supposed to dry in an hour, so yeah, here we go. I believe in you and me. We can be together. Forever. Tops are drying with the stain on it, and they're looking amazing. I'm so excited for them. I'm gonna come up here. There we go. Look at that. Don't mind the sides. I'm gonna paint those, like around the edges. I'm gonna paint them like a brass color. It's gonna look so cool. All right, I just pulled in and I am going to go work out. Yeah, I'm excited.
Greetings.
Whew. Wow, that workout was so hard today, but I loved it the best. Like, it was my favorite workout of them all, but oh my god, I was literally dripping like sweat all over the floor. But yeah, I feel so good. Like, I'm literally sweaty everywhere, and I feel much better because I was feeling a little down like the past couple days. But yeah, I'm feeling much better. Wow, that was good. I'll see you when I get home. Look what we're having for dinner tonight. Delicious.
Oh, here's Laura. Let's hear what Laura has to say.
My family is chaotic. Jackie's super. I've been craving this all week. pumpkin spice cold brew. It's so good, guys. If you haven't tried it and you think it's like weird, at first I thought it was kind of weird, like a cold pumpkin drink, but it's really, really good. You guys have to try it. So good.
Good.
Delicious. Right, Jack?